What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute since we've been here, but life's been kind of crazy. We've been moving around. I had to leave the house, or not, I didn't have to leave the house, but we left the house because we sold it, and we've been in a temporary place and whatnot. I've been collecting parts for the Z, slowly waiting and get things together so we can make this thing cool. It takes time, it takes money, and you got to save that right now because I'm trying to get my own place, like I explained in the last video, but that doesn't matter. Today, we're actually working on a friend's car, something that you guys will probably be pretty excited to see back on the channel, since it was, well, that's originally what this channel was about. It's a Miata, so we'll go ahead and show you. An MB2. Now this is actually, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this Miata on the channel, but it's a familiar sight either way because it looks very similar to my stance car, and I love this car a lot just because of that. But funny enough, it has my hardtop off my stance car, the wing, which is really it's honestly just cool just because it kind of kept the soul of this thing going just because it's red, and an MB2 on top of it. It has the same skirts and whatnot my car did, so it looks really similar. He's looking for the lip. Let us know if you got a lip. You never know. You never know.
Get that Mazda speed lip real quick.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, so we're actually just installing BC coils today. We've done this, I think, a couple times on the channel. Just needed a little help, and I've done this a few times by myself and on the channel, so I know kind of what I'm doing by now. So I figured I'd just come over and help. What'd you say?
Just whizzing through.
Oh yeah, this isn't gonna take much time. We've actually already, what'd you say?
Like we've done so far for like an hour.
And we're already done with the rear. Yeah, the rear's done. We're moving on to the front. It doesn't take much, and I don't need to show you too much because there is other videos on the channel explaining the whole process. So this is kind of just going to be a before and after, just showing you the upgrade. We'll actually show you. What are these coils before? Do you even know what they're called? Fortune Inform, or Function Inform. Yep. These are the old Johns. I'm pretty sure my buddy Ethan is actually running these on his stance car, funny enough, just different springs. But yeah, big upgrade to the clean new BCs. It's always a good sight. He's gonna absolutely love these. Everyone that upgrades the BCs, it's like it's a crazy difference. Like it's actually pretty wild. Like I went over to them and they're stiffer than my tines and stuff was, and I swear to God, it rode better. We're gonna knock this out. Like I said, we just have the fronts to do. I'll show you a little bit of it, but probably not too much until we're adjusting and stuff and showing the heights. And then probably take it for a test drive and shit. Make sure it doesn't rub or nothing. And we'll see what happens from there. This one, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to drop the sway bar in link, I'm pretty sure. So we'll need a deep well 14, 15, 16? 14 to 16, I would guess. 14, I would think, is probably closer.
There's a 15 as well.
Hopefully they're smart and use the same size. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Ta-da!
Van's grippy. Oh, my foot was gonna slide off there for a second. Is that loose?
Yeah.
That's okay.
It's coming out now, it's alright.
Where's it gonna go? Nice. Sweet.
I just wanted to keep this angle so we can get it when we put the new coil in.
Oh. Hopefully I didn't cut my fingers there. Hell yeah, brother.
Dude, that little,
she's in.
This thing right here.
Oh, I was getting stuck on this. You good? We're not good. We're not good. All right. So that one's hand tight. Getting that one done in there. Pretty quick. Just one more to go. Going hella fast. So, tested the height, and it's definitely a little low compared to the rear. It's kind of on a block, so it's a little hard to tell from the ground clearance, but it's a little low. So we're gonna raise it back up a little bit. Not much. It doesn't really need that much. That's a lot closer to the rear.
That's one way to settle it.
It's definitely one way to settle it. It's a lot closer to the rear. We still might have to come up a tiny bit more to match the rears.
I'm gonna kick this side down.
Oh yeah, that's pretty funny. I would say that's like,
It's about square there.
what do you think?
We'll see once it's all the way down.
Yeah, true, because that side might lower it a little bit more. Might be a tiny bit low. Yeah, might be a tiny bit low. Why did this? Oh yeah, that's pretty fucking good. It's like just over that line. This is a little bit more over the line than the rear, which it should be. I mean, you need the fronts. And we got to put the other coil on, so it might drop it down a tiny bit. So, all right, last coil. Looking good so far. All right, so we're about to pull this side out. We got the top hat bolts basically almost out. One's still in there, so we could break this loose. We got to get this out, pull the end link out, and then this will come out. We'll swap the BC right in. Be easy enough. So all 4 BCs are on all the way around the car. Looking hella good. Next up is basically just test drive it and see if it rubs or whatnot. I don't think we're gonna have literally any issues with rubbing whatsoever with the 15s, so be mint. Gonna ride good. Well, that's the end of the video. It was probably a pretty short one and something you guys have probably seen before, but I hope you guys enjoyed having a Miata back on the channel, and I hope that Miata is on the channel a few more times, because it just reminds me of my red car, and I'm sure you guys would still like to see Miatas, and there'll be more on the channel and whatnot. But sorry for like no audio or whatever in that last clip. I kind of forgot to record after we were finished and got to the place because we were just whipping, having fun talking. Luckily, his girlfriend Ashley took a little clip of his Miata so I could actually put that in there. So shout out to you. You might be watching this. I know they do watch actually, so shout out to them. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm trying to get back into the swing of things as quick as I possibly can. It's just hard to get shit done right now, as I explained. When Danny told me he was doing coilovers on his Miata, I was like, yes, something I can post. I was like, I'm gonna go there and help him. And I went there and helped him. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, do whatever. Peace out.